students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing perfect and enjoying your studies too. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is Pinocchio's first day in school. जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं, पहली बार स्कूल जाते हैं, है ना, तो हमारे मन में बहुत सारा क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि कैसा होगा हमारा स्कूल, हम पहली बार पेरेंट्स से अलग अपने स्कूल में कैसे रहेंगे. हमारे लिए एक एक मिनट वहाँ पे बिताना बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है. आपका भी एक्सपीरियंस आपने शेयर किया होगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कि आपका फर्स्ट डे स्कूल में कैसा रहा था. यहाँ पे हमारे साथ पिनाकियो जो है वो अपना फर्स्ट डे इन स्कूल जो है शेयर कर रहा है. समरी पढ़ लेते हैं. रीचिंग टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर द स्टूडेंट विल अंडरस्टैंड द थीम ऑफ ऑनेस्टी, the consequences of peer pressure and the importance of making good choices. They will also learn about personal growth, friendship and how actions have their consequences. Students will develop critical thinking skills by analyzing Pinocchio's decision and their impacts on his life and on those around him. Startup. Have you ever been tempted to do something you knew was wrong? What do you do? Why is it important to choose friends wisely? How can the wrong company affect us? Now let's start the story. It was Pinocchio's first day in school. Imagine the delight of all the little boys when they saw a marionette walk into their school. They roared with laughter. They played all sorts of tricks on Pinocchio. One boy carried off his cap, another pulled at his jacket and another attempted to tie strings around his feet. अब पिनाकियो जो है वो पहली बार अपने स्कूल गया, तो जो उसके जो सीनियर थे, जो उससे पहले स्कूल पहुंच चुके थे या जो भी थे दूसरी क्लासेस के बच्चे, वो उसको टीज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. At first, Pinocchio pretended not to care and got on as well as he could. But at last, losing all patience, he turned to those who were teasing him most and making fun of him. Beware, boys, I have not come here to be a toy in your hands. I respect others and I intended to be respected. अब पहले तो वो उनको क्या करता है, इग्नोर करता है, लेकिन जब वो ज़्यादा उसे टीज करने लगते हैं तो वो उनको मुड़कर जवाब देता है. वो कहता है कि मैं यहाँ तुम लोगों का खिलौना बनने नहीं आया हूँ कि जो तुम मेरे साथ करोगे मैं वही करूँगा. अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट करूँ तो तुम्हें भी मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी. As they passed, the boys made friends with Pinocchio and liked him heartily. The teacher praised him for Pinocchio was attentive, studious and intelligent. He was always the first to come to school and the last to leave when school was over. But he had one fault. He made too many friends and amongst them were several young, infamous boys well known for their love of mischief. अब धीरे धीरे बाकी सारे जो बॉयज़ थे वो उसके फ्रेंड बन गए थे. वो काफ़ी अटेंटिव था, स्टूडियस था, पढ़ने में अच्छा था, स्कूल जल्दी आता था, जल्दी स्कूल से जाता नहीं था, मतलब लेट जाता था, तो काफ़ी सारे उसके फ्रेंड्स बन गए थे. The teacher warned him every day and even the good fairy who often helped him had said, careful Pinocchio, bad company may even bring upon you some great misfortune. But Pinocchio did not pay attention. उसके टीचर्स उसे वार्न करते थे और जो गुड फेरी जो उससे मिलने आती थी, जो उसकी हेल्प करती थी, वो भी उसे सावधान करती है कि बैड कंपनी से, बुरी संगति से सावधान रहना, इनसे बच के रहना. लेकिन पिनाकियो उनकी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुनता था. One day Pinocchio was on his way to school when he met some of his school companions. Have you heard the great news? Asked the boys. No. A shark has been seen near the seashore. We are going to the shore to see it. Come with us. No, I am going to school. We can go to school tomorrow. Argue the boys. अब उनमें से एक बच्चा जो उसका फ्रेंड होता है वो कहता है कि सी शोर के आसपास एक वेल देखी गई है, एक शार्क देखी गई है. तो वो कहता है कि स्कूल छोड़ के हम उस शार्क को देखने चलते हैं, लेकिन पिनाकियो मना करता है. वो कहता है कि हमें स्कूल बंक नहीं करना चाहिए. Pinocchio was tempted. He had never seen a shark before. At last he agreed to go with them. The boys dashed to the shore, but there was no shark to be seen. The boys laughed and jeered. अब पिनाकियो टेम्प्टेड था, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसने कभी शार्क नहीं देखी थी, तो उनके साथ वो चला जाता है शार्क को देखने के लिए, हालांकि वहाँ पे कोई भी शार्क नहीं होती. Why did you lie to me? Said Pinocchio angrily. It was only a trick, said one of the boys and threw a large, heavily bound volume at Pinocchio. However, instead of hitting him, the book struck a boy called Eugene. Eugene fell down and fainted. Oh no, cried the boys and ran off. Pinocchio was also scared, but he did not run away. He ran to the sea, soaked his handkerchief in cool water and rushed back to squeeze it on Egune's head. ठीक है, उन बच्चों ने क्या किया, उनके साथ ट्रिक किया. वो फेंकना चाहते थे एक पत्थर किसके ऊपर, पिनाकियो के ऊपर, लेकिन वो गिर गया किसी और बच्चे के ऊपर और वो वहीं पे बेहोश हो गया. लेकिन पिनाकियो भागा नहीं, वो उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए वहीं रुक गया. Eugene, my poor Eugene, open your eyes and look at me. I did not do it, cried Pinocchio. Just then 2 policemen came running. They saw Eugene and thought Pinocchio had hit him. They caught Pinocchio and were dragging him towards the village when a strong gust of wind blew off Pinocchio's cap. The policeman let Pinocchio go and pick up his cap. As soon as he got his cap back, Pinocchio turned on his heels and began to run as hard as he could towards the seashore. अब यूजीन को घायल देख के वहाँ पे पुलिसमैन आ गए जो पिनाकियो को पकड़ के लेके जा रहे थे. उन्हें लगा कि पिनाकियो ने ही अपने फ्रेंड को मारा है, लेकिन जैसे ही उसे पकड़ के लेके जा रहे थे उसका जो हैट था वो क्या हो गया था, हवा में उड़ गया था. जिसको पकड़ने के लिए पिनाकियो उठाने के लिए जा रहा था तो वो वहाँ से भाग गया. The policeman sent a large mastiff, Elidoro, after him. Pinocchio reached the shore and plunged into the water. Elidoro also went into the sea, but it could not swim. It made great efforts to keep afloat. Pinocchio saw Elidoro struggling and remembered his father's word. A good action is never lost. He swam to Elidoro and, taking hold of its tail with both hands, brought it to the safety of the sandy beach. Then he jumped again in the water and swam away, keeping near the shore. अब जैसे ही पुलिस वालों ने देखा कि पिनाकियो भाग गया है कहाँ, समुद्र की तरफ, तो उन्होंने अपना जो डॉग था वो भी उसके पीछे भेजा. लेकिन वो जो डॉग था उसको तैरना नहीं आता था, तो पिनाकियो ने उसकी क्या की, हेल्प की. After a while he saw amongst the rocks a kind of cave from which a cloud of smoke was ascending. He went near the rocks, but just as he was about to climb up, he felt something under the water that rose higher and carried him into the air. To his extreme surprise, he found himself enclosed in a great net, together with a swarm of fish to every size and shape. अब जैसे ही वो दूसरी तरफ जा रहे थे तो उनको लगा कि वो किसी मगरमच्छी के छाले में फंस गए. A fisherman came out of the cave and saw Pinocchio. पिनाकियो जो था वो बहुत सारी फिशेस के बीच में एक नेट में फंसा हुआ था. What kind of fish is this? He said. I don't remember ever eating anything like this. I am not a fish, said Pinocchio. I am a marionette. A marionette fish. I will fry you with the other fish in a pan, said the fisherman. Just then a large dog entered the cave. Pinocchio recognized it at once. Save me, Elidoro, he cried. अब उसने एलिडोरो की हेल्प की थी तो एलिडोरो से वो भी उम्मीद करता है कि ये भी मेरी हेल्प करेगा. द डॉग रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पिनाकियो's voice. He quickly seized the bundle in which Pinocchio was wrapped and rushed out of the cave. Elidoro stopped when they were near the village and put Pinocchio gently on the ground. Thank you for saving me, Elidoro, said Pinocchio. Elidoro barked joyfully and ran off. Pinocchio was tired. He went to a cottage when an old man was warming himself in the sun. Why, you are a marionette too, said the old man to Pinocchio. Do you know one called Pinocchio? He has hurt Eugene. What do you think of such a naughty marionette? Pinocchio is very good, lied Pinocchio. He likes to study. He is obedient and kind to his father. He loves his family. वो कहता है पिनाकियो जो है झूठ नहीं बोलता, वो एक अच्छा इंसान है. With each lie, Pinocchio's nose grew and grew till it was twice its length. लेकिन झूठ बोलने पे पिनाकियो की नाक जो थी क्या होती जा रही थी, लंबी होती जा रही थी. Pinocchio got scared. All the wonderful things I have said about Pinocchio are not true, he cried. He is a very wicked fellow, lazy and disobedient. Instead of going to school, he runs away to a good time. As he spoke the truth, his nose returned to its normal size. अब उसने क्या बोला, सच बोला. उसने बोला कि जो पिनाकियो है वो क्या है, लेजी पर्सन है, डिसोबीडियंट है. उसने किसी की बात नहीं मानी और अपना स्कूल जो है बंक किया. Pinocchio decided to go to the good fairy for help. He felt guilty. How will I face my good little fairy? What will she say? अब ये सब सोच समझ के ऑब्जर्व करके उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं किसके पास जाऊंगा, अपनी एंजल फेरी के पास जाऊंगा। He reached the fairy's house late in the evening. He waited at the door. A snail attended him, but it was too slow to carry his message to the fairy immediately. Pinocchio lost his patience and kicked the door in fury. It was no wonder that his foot got struck in. ठीक है, अब जैसे वो फेरी के पास जाता है तो उनका जो मैसेंजर होता है, जो स्नेल होता है, काफ़ी स्लो होता है, उसका मैसेज पहुंचाने में उसको देर हो जाती है, इसलिए पिनाकियो जो है वो अपना पेशेंस खो देता है और डोर को क्या करता है, किक कर देता है। Poor Pinocchio, he had to spend the rest of the night lying with one foot stuck in the door. When he woke up, he found himself lying on a bed. The fairy was standing near him. This time too I forgive, the fairy said, but be careful, no more mischief. वो कहती है कि मैं तुम्हें इस बार माफ़ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन और शरारतें मत करना। Pinocchio's promised to behave himself. He kept his word for the rest of the year. He passed all his examinations with aplomb and his report was excellent. The fairy was pleased. Tomorrow your wish will come true, she said. And what is that? Asked Pinocchio excitedly. Tomorrow you will become a real boy, the fairy replied. Pinocchio wanted a celebration. The fairy promised to prepare 200 cups of coffee and milk and 400 slices of buttered toast. Go invite your friend for the party tomorrow, said the fairy. But remember to return home before dark. अब वो कहती है कि एक पार्टी में तुम्हारे लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करूँगी, जाओ अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुला लो, लेकिन अंधेरा होने से पहले वापस आ जाना। I will be back in an hour, promised Pinocchio. It is easy to make promises. If you disobey me, you will suffer, warned the fairy. तो क्या बोलती है उसको कि तुम प्रॉमिस तोड़ देते हो, अगर प्रॉमिस तोड़ोगे तो तुम ही सफ़र करोगे। Pinocchio left the house in a hurry. In a little less than an hour, he finished inviting all his friends but one. Pinocchio went to invite his best friend, Romeo, at the end. Everyone called him Lampwick. As he was very tall and thin, he was the laziest boy in the school and the biggest mischief maker. Lampwick was not at home, so Pinocchio began searching for him. Finally, he found him hiding near a farmer's cart. What are you doing there? Asked Pinocchio. I am waiting for the midnight to strike, as I am planning to go to the land of toys. Why don't you come too? Asked Lampwick. अब लैम्पविक उसे रास्ते में मिलता है तो पिनाकियो उससे पूछता है कि तुम यहाँ क्यों छुपे हो, तो वो कहता है कि मैं मिडनाइट होने का वेट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लैंड ऑफ टॉयज़ में जाना है, और उसको भी कहता है कि तुम भी मेरे साथ चलो। I oh no, said Pinocchio. Well, it's your loss. The land of toys is the best place ever. There is no school, no teachers, no books. How happy we can be, said Lampwick. अब वो उसे ललचाता है कि वहाँ पे पढ़ाई करने को हमें नहीं मिलेगी, कोई टीचर वहाँ नहीं होगा, कोई स्कूल नहीं होगा, कोई बुक्स नहीं होगा, हम वहाँ सिर्फ क्या करेंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे, हैप्पी रहेंगे। I have promised the fairy to become a good boy, mumbled Pinocchio. You will repent your decisions to stay back, said Lampwick. Unable to resist, Pinocchio finally gave in and decided to go with his friend. और उसने क्या किया, अपना जो प्रॉमिस था वो उसने तोड़ दिया और उन दोस्तों के साथ वो खेलने के लिए या उस लैंड में चला गया। Now word bucket, marionette means a puppet that is controlled from above by strings attached to its limbs. Studious means showing great care or attention to learning or studying. Infamous means well known for some bad quality or deed. Notorious. Tempted means feeling a desire to do something that may not be wise or appropriate. Jeered means make a rude and mocking remark, typically in a loud voice. Fainted means lost consciousness for a short time. Plunged means jumped or dive quickly and energetically. Fury means extreme anger, rage. Aplomb means self-confidence or assurance, especially when in a demanding situation. Mischief maker, a person who deliberately causes trouble for other. Repent means feel or express a sincere regret or remorse about one's wrongdoing or sin. Resist means withstand the action or effect of refraining from doing something tempting. Now think and answer. Tick the correct option. What did the other boys do to Pinocchio on his first day at school? क्या किया उन्होंने? He laughed and played trick on him. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. Extract 1. But remember to return home before dark. What does this tell us about the fairy's concern for Pinocchio? उन्हें पता था कि ये क्या करेगा, फिर कोई ना कोई शरारत करेगा या कोई इसे ललचाएगा तो ये उसकी तरफ चला जाएगा, इसलिए उसने उससे प्रॉमिस लिया था कि तुम अंधेरा होने से पहले घर आ जाओगे. Extract 2. He is obedient and kind to his father. He loves his family. Why did Pinocchio lie to old man? क्यों उसने झूठ बोला? क्योंकि वो अपने आप को अच्छा बताना चाहता था. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Pinocchio wanted to become a, क्या बनना चाहता था, ये यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे. Write true or false for the following statements. Pinocchio ignored the advice of good fairy. उसने क्या किया, इग्नोर कर दिया. तो yes, it is true. Answer the following questions. Why did Pinocchio choose to save Alidoro the Mastiff? Because Alidoro didn't know how to swim. That's why Pinocchio chose to save Alidoro. Value inside. Discuss the impact of peer pressure as shown in the story. What could Pinocchio have done differently? How does the story illustrate the importance of honesty? Provide examples from the text. आपको स्टोरी पढ़नी है, चैप्टर पढ़ना है और इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. Now word power collocations are combinations of words that are often used together. Leaning collocations help you sound more natural in English. Let us explore some common collocations with verbs like make, do, take, give and have. Choose the correct collocations to complete each sentence. तो पहला है यहाँ पे it is essential to dash a goal if you want to achieve something. क्या करना होता है, गोल बनाना होता है. तो आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे make. It is essential to make a goal if you want to achieve something. Use the following collocations to write sentence of your own. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, आपको उनको यूज़ करना है अपने सेंटेंस में. लाइक मेक अ प्रॉमिस, तो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं ही मेड अ प्रॉमिस और ही मेक अ प्रॉमिस टू मी दैट ही विल कम सून इन द इवनिंग. Grammar stroke, reading and writing skill. Modal verbs like can, could, may, might, must, should, will, would help us express abilities, possibilities, permissions and obligations. Understanding how to use them correctly is important for effective communications. मॉडल वर्ब जो हैं ये हम यूज़ करते हैं एबिलिटीज़ को, पॉसिबिलिटीज़ को, परमिशंस एंड ऑब्लिगेशंस को दर्शाने के लिए. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate modal verb from the options provided. You dash borrow my book if you return it by tomorrow. तुम मेरी बुक ले सकते हो अगर तुम उसे कल तक वापस कर दो. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, You can borrow my book if you return it by tomorrow. Rewrite the sentences using the given modal verbs. अब यहाँ पे आपको sentences दिए गए हैं, इनको आपको रीराइट करना है, ठीक है, modal verbs को यूज़ करते हुए. तो यहाँ पे आपको हिंट दिया गया है, आपको इन modal verbs को यूज़ करना है इन sentences में. That it is necessary for you to complete your work. So it is must that you complete your work. Speaking time. In Pinocchio's first day in school, Pinocchio faces challenges when he decides to disobey his fairy and join his friends. Discuss a time when you face a similar dilemma. How did you decide what to do and what did you learn from the experience? बहुत बार ऐसा होता है जब हम अपने पेरेंट्स की बात नहीं मानते, उनकी बात को डिसऑबे कर देते हैं, तो क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हम फेस करते हैं ये आपको बताना है. Listening activity. Listen carefully to specific dialogues or excerpts from the story where characters express emotions or hidden meanings. Example, the fairy is warning to Pinocchio. Lampwick's persuasion. From what you hear, infer what the characters is really feeling or trying to convey. तो यहाँ पे कुछ कैरेक्टर्स हमें दिए गए हैं, वो क्या हमें कन्वे करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ये आपको बताना है. क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं, ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको देने हैं. Writing activity. Pinocchio decides to disobey the fairy and goes to the land of toys despite knowing the possible consequences. It is more important to follow rules or to make your own decisions, even if they lead to mistakes. Write a persuasive arguments supporting each other. ईदर व्यूज़. आपको क्या करना है, आपको बताना है कि क्या पिनाक्यो ने फेरी को डिसऑबे करके सही किया, तो उसने बिल्कुल गलत किया. जो हमारे बड़े हमसे कहते हैं वो हमारी भलाई के लिए कहते हैं, तो हमें उनकी बात जो है माननी चाहिए. Life skill activity, why do you think honesty is important even when it might get you into trouble? Can you share a personal experience where telling the truth had a significant impact on a situation or relationship? ऑनेस्टी जो है इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, हालांकि कभी कभी ये हमें ट्रबल में भी डाल देती है, लेकिन हमें ऑनेस्टी नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए। आपको अपना कोई एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है जहाँ पे आपने सच का साथ दिया हो, ऑनेस्टी दिखाई हो, ईमानदारी दिखाई हो, लेकिन फिर भी आप ट्रबल में फंसे हो। Project activity, imagine you are Pinocchio's planning a party for becoming a real boy. Create a guest list, the menu and activities for the party, considering all the lessons Pinocchio learned about friendship, honesty and wise choices. अब आपको क्या करना है, इमेजिन करना है कि आप पिनाकियो हो और आपको एक पार्टी जो है वो प्लान करनी है, ठीक है। इसमें आप गेस्ट लिस्ट बनाएंगे, मेन्यू बनाएंगे कि आप खाने में क्या क्या रखेंगे, एक्टिविटीज़ आप क्या क्या रखेंगे पार्टी के लिए, और आप कंसीडर करेंगे इस लेसन को कि इस लेसन में क्या क्या चीज़ें आपने सीखी हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ वहाँ पे डाली गई थी जो आप नहीं डालना चाहेंगे, या जो चीज़ वहाँ पे नहीं डाली गई है वो आप डालना चाहेंगे। मतलब अपने भी आप व्यूज़, अपने भी आप पॉइंट्स इसमें रख सकते हैं, अपनी भी आप एक वाइज चॉइस जो है वो बना सकते हैं। So children, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now you will revise the chapter and practice the given exercise to understand the chapter thoroughly.